Bona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje I'm back with iy'ndaba yabo PSL news updates lezi engizoyishaya every day. From today Vana Sports will upload i-video yabo each and every day about PSL updates because abantu abaningi kade bengicela ukuthi ngiba-update each and every time nalana ka-YouTube, not only on TikTok. So I'll keep you guys updated here on YouTube from now on. So if uthanda iy'ndaba ze-PSL ungasubscribe lapho kuVana Sports yabo. So Orlando Pirates are closing in on an exciting Bafana Bafana talent. I'm sure most of you have seen this news today about Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates are edging over closer to the signing of Chippa United and Bafana Bafana midfielders Noxolo Kwaiba. Kwaiba has been one of the most exciting players in the Brazilian Premiership, having made 22 appearances this season in all competition for the Chile boys, scoring 7 goals with a single assist. Yeah, but the 25-year-old has won several Man of the Match accolades in the Chippa United colours this season, which earned him a call-up to Hugo Bros Bafana Bafana squad, where he made his debut against Congo Brazzaville in a 5-0 victory at the Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. Yeah, well, Ski Times established that Pirates and Chippa have reached a club-to-club agreement for Kwaiba through though personal terms are yet to be discussed. Yabo, personal terms with the club nomdlali are yet to be discussed. Yabo, but there was a club-to-club agreement with both teams. Yabo, umchita ndiyenzeka join Orlando Pirates at the end of the season because both teams have discussed and bavumelene ukuthi umchita join at the end of the season. Yabo, should the personal terms be agreed on, the midfielder will be expected to join the Buccaneers in July 2025 ahead of the 2025-2026 campaign. Yabo. So izona-ke iy'ndaba lezi bafethu. Sinoxolo Kwaiba is a exciting player. Exciting player. He plays as number 10. He also drift ka-right yabo. Athi ngiphule ama-stats akhe yabo. He also drift ka-right impethu adlale nakhona. So yeah, ama-stats akhe angijabulisa kakhulu mase ubheke la yabo. This is his season hits map mase uyibheke. Udlala ama-matches amangaki? Udlala ama-matches awu-19 yabo. Started 18 games. Bheka la attacking side yakhe namagoli ayi-6 yabo. It's only DStv Premiership le ngiyibalela yabo, it's only Betway. But umshida yena udlala kahle bafethu yabo. Ngike ngazi ngangitshela kuma-comments ngaye yabo. Kuyindaba ey'landelayo Mamelodi Sundowns May transfer window request to SAFA yabo. I-Sundowns-ke bafethu izothola iwindi elisha lokuthi likwazi ukuthenga abadlali. Kuthiwa SABC Sports can confirm that Mamelodi Sundowns have asked to be given the green light to register players early ahead of the FIFA Club World Cup scheduled for the USA in June. Yabo, menikhumbula kahle-ke there is a FIFA Club World Cup ezojoyinwa iMamelodi Sundowns yabo. Ama-team akhona le Al Ahly, mase kuba i-Wydad Casablanca, mase kuba iMamelodi Sundowns. Konje ipenye team, ngikhumbuza ama-comments ipenye team eyodlala laphaya yabo. I think nayi Asfar if I'm not mistaken. So kuthiwa lana Premier Soccer League clubs, PSL clubs typically add players to their roster effective July 1 in the lead up to the new campaign, with that period running until the end of August, but has recently been extended to mid-September. Yabo. But with Sundowns having qualified for the Club World Cup, this has opened the door for the application to SAFA. Yabo. It is understood that the request has been tentatively approved by the local mother body. However, it does still need to be ratified by FIFA with official dates around when exactly Sundowns can officially sign new players. Yabo. Uma ufuna ukufunda ungayiphoza ividiyo uyifundele. Kuthiwa the Brazilians azohlangana ne-Ulsan HD yase-South Korea mase ibhekana futhi ne-Borussia Dortmund mase iphinde ibhekane futhi ne-Fluminense. Yabo, Fluminense I think yase-Brazil mase kuthi i-Borussia Dortmund kube yase-Germany. Yabo, should the request be accepted as expected, Downs would arrive in America with all their new recruits available for the Miguel Cardoso to select. Yabo, uMiguel Cardoso so angakwazi ukukhetha lapho ukusayina abadlali yabo ngaleli window bazomnikeza yona. So it is not yet clear which players Sundowns are targeting at this stage, but FIFA is allowing the national associations of teams taking part in the Club World Cup to open a special transfer window between 1 until 10 June. So there will be a special transfer window ekhona from umhla 1 until umhla 10 June. Lapho khona ama-team azokwazi ukusayina noma ibaphi abadlali ababadinga, kodwa ama-team lawa are part of i-FIFA Club World Cup, not ama-team angekho kwi-FIFA Club World Cup. Yebo, I hope niyangizwa-ke lapho. I-Sundowns i-part of i-FIFA Club World Cup, so ba-allowed to sign each and every player abamthandayo, yabo. Each and every player they like, they can sign that player. Maybe nemali bangamthenga Mofokeng, bangamthenga uMbokazi, they can buy Mfundo Vilakazi from Kaizer Chiefs. They can buy each and every player they want if they have that money. Yabo, it will be up to those teams ukuthi bayabadayisa yini abadlali babo. Ngesazi uPasadena has been on the radar yeMamelodi Sundowns because on their left hand side abaperform kahle. Yabo, Sundowns will play their final Betway Premiership on the 27th of May and the CAF Champions League on the 1st of June if they beat Al Ahly over 2 legs in the semi-finals this month. Yabo, the Egyptian Giants are also heading to the Club World Cup. Yabo, kwindaba eyilandelayo to AmaZulu terminate nge-mass contracts amid disciplinary issues. Yabo, AmaZulu have terminated the contracts of midfielder Celimpilo Ngema with immediate effect. Ngema allegedly had disciplinary issues, including one stance where he arrived at training under the influence of alcohol, yeah, and he was sent home. He was subsequently called to a club disciplinary committee, EDC, where he was found guilty, leading to the decision to release him. Yabo, Ngema is now a free agent and can decide where he wants to go, as so stated. 27-year-old joined Usutu July 2023 from Imarumo Gallants after his contract with the now based Bloemfontein side expired. Yabo, Ngema had previously helped Imarumo Gallants reach the semi-final of the CAF Confed, where they lost to Yanabi Young Africans. The KwaZulu-Natal born midfielder departs Ususi, having played 45 matches across all competitions, scoring 2 goals and providing 4 assists. 15 of these appearances, including 1 goal, came this season. Ngema had been absent from Usutu's squad for the last 6 matches. His most recent involvement was unused substitutes in the victory over Cape Town City at Kings Wellington Stadium in February. Yabo, another player who nearly faced the same fate was Abubakar Mopar. He reportedly had a falling out with coach Atazwan, resulting in his suspension by the club. However, because this issue was related to a disagreement rather than off-field misconduct, he was reinstated into the team. Mopara allegedly challenged Coach Zwane in the changing room in a disrespectful manner. This was not the first time the former Cape Town Spurs player had such confrontations at the club. He had also challenged coaches such as Brandon Schroeter, Romain Folz, Pablo Franco Martin. Yabo, AmaZulu nearly offloaded him during off-season due to these incidents, but they did not because he was still under contract and no other club showed interest in acquiring him. Had there been interest, Usutu would have transferred him. I was sorry. There is a strong possibility that Mopara, the former Orlando Pirates midfielder, will be released at the end of the season. Mopara joined Usutu second half of the season 2021-2022 season from Cape Town City. The 31-year-old played 70 matches for Usutu, scoring 1 goal and providing 3 assists. Yeah, bafethu, so kungenzeka umjida alishiye Usuthu. Yabo, kungenzeka ngempela alishiye Usuthu. Asazi-ke ngale ndaba, ungangitshela wena ukuthi uzwa. Kwezinye zey'ndaba ey'phumile namhlanje kuthiwa Chiefs wonderkid Naledi Hlongwane signs a professional contract with the Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo, iy'ndaba ezinhleke lezi kwabangaziyo. I like to see ama-youngsters adlala kwi-Betway Premiership epromothwa ezodlala kwi-league ephezulu. Yabo, kuthiwa the guy signed i-contract e-professional. Yabo, ley'ndaba lezi sizethulelwa uMthokozi Sidubu. uMthokozi Sidubu yena uprovide le article le. Yabo, kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs have handed an academy striker Naledi Hlongwane a professional contract. Hlongwane is one of the most highly regarded prospects in the Amakhosi Academy ranks. Yabo. His remarkable performance in the Carling All-Stars match against the Imakasi FC in December captured the spotlight. The teenager netted 2 goals in a 3-0 victory and won the Man of the Match award. Yabo mina ikhumbula kahle-ke igame ayidlala against iMagesi FC. Yabo sasiyibuka sonke leyo game yasijabulisa kakhulu ukubona most of ama-youngsters adlala kwi-DStv Premiership Diski Challenge yabo idlala kahle. Yabo DStv Diski Challenge i-promote abadlali abaningi abayingqayizivele esibabonayo, Mfundo Vilakazi, Wandile Dube, abadlali abanjengomduduzi Shabalala, abadlali abanjengombukazi, abadlali abanjengomfugingi, yabo. So another prospect isithole i-professional contract with i-Kaizer Chiefs, yabo. Kuthiwa the talented striker from Sebokeng also been instrumental for Kaizer Chiefs in the DDC team. He scored 11 goals this season, significantly contributing to the club's pursuit of the Reserve League title. Recently, he earned the national team call-up as a makeshift Bafana Bafana squad faced Egypt in the Chan. However, he did not feature in the first leg, which was hosted in Bloemfontein. Yabo Soweto Giants have since secured the young talent with a long-term contract, demonstrating their confidence in his future potential. In December, Chiefs head coach Nabi expressed optimism about a 19-year-old forward. Yabo, i-potential yakhe uthi kanjani. Yabo washo-ke imenzo le. Yathi a very good collaboration within the club, especially with the DDC coach. He further said that the senior team coaches get regular reports about the players ready to train with the first team. Hlongwane has previously trained with the senior team alongside Eden McCarthy. If you know, Eden McCarthy is the captain of the DDC side, the Kaizer Chiefs. But he usually trains with Kaizer Chiefs most of the time. We see the guy. He also played in the Chan qualifiers against the Egypt first leg and the second leg. It is not something that started because Hlongwane has scored 2 goals. It's been a process, and we want to go through the process, not to get emotional because someone scored 2 goals in a friendly game and then suddenly he can play in a big club like Kaizer Chiefs. Explain Nabi at the time. It's a big process. Within those three will be invited. The one who is going to perform is going to be given a chance to stay and play with the first team. Nabi has used the number of academic graduates such as Mduduzi, Wandile Duba, Samkelo Zwane, Mfundo Vilakazi during his first season with Amakhosi. As young Africans in Tanzania, Nabi gave teenager uClement Mzize a chance. And the 21-year-old has continued to shine. He will be hoping to have the same effect on Uhlongwane. The youngster arrived at Chiefs through his development coach in angilazi leli gama ningangichazela aba-comments who recognized Hlongwane's abilities and introduced him to then the youth coach at Chiefs Atazwane. So bafethu umjida usethole i-contract, first team contract with Kaizer Chiefs. Mase kuthi in another news, X falls on 4 players on Sekhukhune United players. Abadlali abawu-4 Sekhukhune United sebekhonjiswe indlela, bakhonjiswe indlela abadlali abawu-4 kwe-Sekhukhune United. Mayikhumbula kahle, ucoach omusha wafika kuye-Sekhukhune United, u-Eric Tinkler from i-Cape Town City. Letlelelo losiyema wakhomba indlela. Kuthiwa lana, Betway Premiership side Sekhukhune United has released 4 players who were deemed a surplus to requirements. These players will leave the club immediately. But this follows the recent coaching changes, with Eric Tinkler stepping in as the head coach to replace Uletlono Losiyema. Tinkler recently expressed his intention to initiate the significant overhaul of the squad. So, Tinkler acknowledged the significant value experienced players like Daniel Cardoso, Linde Mtambo, and Tabang Monare have brought to Sekhukhune United. He cited their past success as at major clubs such as Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. However, the Sekhukhune coach candidly admitted that the squad is now facing the realities of an aging core. We've got a lot of experienced players like Cardoso, Mtambo, Monare, Tinkler told Radio 947. They played at big clubs and achieved big things. So those players have been key features and extremely valuable to the club for the past 2 seasons. But we do have an aging squad. if I must be honest, Sangare, Badra Sangare, the Ivorian goalkeeper, Mtambo, Lloyd Mtambo, Kazapua, yabo, and Cardoso are old, yabo. There are several players who are aging, and the next season we have to start looking to build and make the team even more stronger. It is not that we've already made the decision on any of them. We haven't made any decision on them until the next season, but we need to strengthen the squad if we want to be a team that competes in the top four. Yabo. So who are the four players that have been axed by Skukuna United? So the club has let go of Ukamogelo Stole following his struggles to break into the team. The 20-year-old left winger has only made one appearance this season. Imagine the guy has only made one appearance this season. Although the 29-year-old right back Kahleko Mkabela has started in 12 games, also been shown indlela. Yabo. Another veteran Ubani Pogiso Mahlangu who is also shown indlela. The 32 years old has made three appearances this season. Another veteran another player njalo, the fourth player also released Cameroon Canel, who also made four appearances this season. Yabo. So abadlali abahanjisiwe la kuSikhuna United, iSikhuna United sixoshe abadlali abayi-4 yabo abangayisizi ngalutho i-team. OkukaMogelo Sithole, Kahleko Mkhabela, mase kuBogise Mahlangu, mase kuba uCameroon Canel. Yabo. So izona-ke iy'ndaba lezi zanamhlanje yabo, but-ke awuthi senginishaya ngezinye engiy'tholile. Kuthiwa lana Zamalek Committee discuss Percy Tau. Zamalek Transfer Committee have discussed indaba kaPercy Tau. They set to explore ama-possibility with his agent uzoba free umjida ngoJune. Yabo, asazi noma iZamalek izokwazi noma approach umjida, but-ke no decision have been made on Tau's side yet. But iZamalek, i-committee yeZamalek ifuna uku-approach uPercy Tau, they want to sign uPercy Tau, yabo, njengoba kungenzeka abe free agent ngoJune. So lana, I don't usually trust Mickey Jr., but maybe this one was made for a gag or something. But Mickey Jr. stated that CAF has decided to take firm action against the Mamelodi Sundowns following the incident that happened during their game versus the Esperance. CAF has banned the free entry from the game versus Al Ahly abazoba nawo nge-weekend. Menikhumbula kahle, Al Ahly are due to face iMamelodi Sundowns le Loftus. Al Ahly izobhekana ne-Sundowns, so i-free entry nje ngeke ize ibe khona. So i-Sundowns ithi ama-tickets azoba u-20 rand. Uma ufuna ukuyo-support i-Sundowns, go and buy the tickets ngoba ngeke ize ibe khona i-free entry. Yabo, uma unesikipha nje se-ANC, might as well buy that t-shirt because I don't think there will be more free entry from iMamelodi Sundowns anytime soon. But the tickets are cheap actually. You can actually go and buy your tickets. Yabo, bayikhiphile lapha i-link. But-ke yeah, free entry bafethu isivalue.